are officially under a stay-at-home order in California. So I might as well make use of myself and start cleaning up around here. We need to start doing some things. Something that I've been putting off for a while is cleaning out my wig closet. I figured, why not now? With you guys. Okay, listen, I try. It's hard to stay organized when they take up so much space. And if I had a wig room of heads with all brushed out wigs on them, I would. Believe me, I would. But if you guys have been subscribed to me for a minute, then you know that I have wore these wigs so many times and to so many places. Listen, it's fine. So without further ado, let's take a look at my wig closet. As you can see, it won't necessarily close. I think just because the door is kind of old, but it also could be... Okay, let's just do it. I have like 50 something wigs. They're in here, either in boxes or not. It just probably needs to be brushed a little bit. Something's gotta happen with this. We got wig caps in here, clips from everywhere that I need to find a space for, wigs that need new homes. So now is the time. Let's get organized. Oh my god. I didn't know. I literally had no idea it was gonna be like this. Oh my god. This is so bad. Like, how? This is Logan, my best friend, my roommate, for all of you that don't know. So my current game plan is a little loose. Coronavirus. You sneezed, instantly my nose is runny. We have it.
Why is there like this layer and then this long section? Is this a rat tail?
No, they're layers.
Is it supposed to look like extensions that are very
poorly
blended?
No, it doesn't look bad when you wear it. I'm telling you. Just because it hasn't been brushed in a long time doesn't mean it's not a quality wig, okay? Here's the current game plan. I want to go through each one of these, like open them up, look at them, and then decide.
Giveaway.
In the end of time, I don't want any of these. I want other people who feel like they need them to have them. Currently, right now on my Instagram, I'm giving away one wig a month on there. So go follow me on Instagram. If you don't, if you have not. This will also help me choose my wigs for my wig for next month. And the month up to that.
And plan your transformation TikToks.
True! We'll go through the boxes, start stacking those, and then we'll go through the loose ones. And we'll see what... Let's organize! 1, 2, 3. Pinky Promise wig, Lilac Frost wig. Oh my god, wait, this is perfect. I wanted to do a Corpse Bride look on TikTok, and this wig, Corpse Bride, hello, Sugared Pearl wig. 3, 4, 5, first one's done. This wig, this one I cannot put away yet because I am going to be doing another wig video soon. So this will go over here and be on the lookout for another wig video soon. I don't even remember what's in half these boxes. Oh, that's nice. We'll put this in the natural pile. Oh my god. Who else remembers this wig? Colorful pile. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. Is that weird? Natural. Goes right there. You guys have been following me for a minute. You know this one. I feel like these are like collectibles and I keep everything in the box that originally came in here. Like this comb, like look at it. One of my tricks to storing wigs, what I like to do, especially with my human hair expensive ones, is that if you take them and you just spin your arm around them, so now it's all nice and like kind of curled up, it keeps it as nice as possible. And when you go to put it on, it's curly. Like, that's pretty cool, right? Oh my God, if I was a better organizer, I could have just bought boxes to put all the wigs in. You guys, comment down below. Do you guys like wigs in boxes or wigs in bags more? Which one do you like? Please comment down below. I genuinely, I want to know. That's those boxes. I know I have so many more. You wigs. Oh yeah, okay, so another curly. Oh, look at the part on this one. That's not bad. Oh my God, I put little space buttons on there and I left it. That's so cute of me. Natural brown, check. I don't remember getting this wig. Yeah, not the most natural highlights in the world. She is a cute little bob. That's a deep part too. Yeah, I'm feeling a giveaway soon for this one. Got another natural brown wig. This is the one with the bangs. It came with a necklace. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my God, picture it. Huh. Do you see how much longer this side is? Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know about that. Someone else could do good things with this wig. Oh, I love this one. I always thought that I would love the super, super long wigs, and don't get me wrong, I do. But the wigs that are just so easy to wear are the short ones. Oh, we know what's in this one. Oh, this one had eyelashes in it. Guys, they're just throwing anything in these boxes. I need someone to host a wig party. Probably natural wig. That's what. Yep. We got such an array of wigs here. I think that's it for the boxes. Let's put these away, shall we? The last box that I have is not a wig. These are all hair bundles. I will probably never do anything with these. The length is 22 inches. Comment down below if you want this. Now, the hardest part about this will be organizing all of the loose wigs. I wish there was a better way. I just have a lot of wigs in a lot of different size bags. But I also have a lot of bigger boxes that they can go into. Let's separate them and do this thing. Okay, we'll put this one in here. This one definitely goes in this box. We got my extremely long black-haired wig. Could use a brush, though it's not my favorite. It is special in its own way. So we'll put this in this, and then we'll put the colorful ones in the pink one. Yeah, that makes perfect sense to me. Oh my God, wait, this is another extremely long black one. What? You guys, oh my gosh, I didn't realize. I don't remember this one at all. What? Oh, you wanna know why I don't remember this wig? Because it's not lace front, so I gave zero attention to it. I have been dabbling in non-lace front wigs a little bit recently, because they're very easy to wear. Hydration break. Wow, I'm working real hard. Beautiful. What's this one? I'll probably give this one away relatively soon too. This is one of those wigs that I don't feel right giving away because I don't feel like it has good enough value to give it to anyone, you know? We still have all of this. Okay, so this is another one of those wigs. I don't know why they made it so weird at the top. Like, when would this ever look natural? It still looks so good from being in this bag for so long, but then they messed it up. We'll find a use for her. Trust me. I have 3 of these super, super curly human hair wigs. This one I'm gonna use to do a Brave cosplay relatively soon. Wow. Oh, you guys, we got a good giveaway wig. Wait, Logan, come feel this wig. Isn't that nice? Like, don't you just want to pet it all day? These wigs take up so much space. I don't know what to do with them. But then we have this brown wig. What is this one? What is this? I can't do it anymore. White wig that will go in the colorful bag. Ariel wig. Oh my God, one of my first wigs ever. Aww. Oh, here we go. Cute. Oh, okay. This confuses me. I don't know why this one doesn't have a home. This is clearly human hair. So I have this one that I'm never gonna wear. This one that I'm never going to wear. We have my Ellen wig. We have my Santa Claus wig. I have no use for these. If anyone wants one of these 2 wigs, comment down below. You guys, I wanna get rid of these. Best of luck to you guys. I'll be reading the comments for the first day or so of posting this video. Let's finish up packing these wigs and let's see the final product of my organized wig closet. And here is my new and improved wig closet. Thank you so much for watching my cleaning out of my wig closet video today. I hope you guys liked it. I hope those were some good throwbacks to my old wig review videos. Now remember, if you guys wanted either of these wigs, please make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you are a wig bundle person, be sure to also leave a comment. I will genuinely never try to wear this ever again. So this is yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click subscribe if you have not and click that thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!